Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at a gorgeous 1953 Chevrolet 3100. Beautiful truck. It's out of North Carolina. We bought this car from a truck from a gentleman. He's an older man. It's got 1,100 miles on the build. It's complete frame-off restoration. Great truck, guys. Runs and drives excellent, nice and tight. Really just a pretty truck. It's got a burgundy metallic paint. It's got a custom two-tone gray vinyl interior. Just really a good truck. It's got air, disc brakes, power steering. A lot of the trucks we get kind of have custom wheels. I thought this one was cool and we left it alone. It's got the steel wheels with the Chevrolet caps on it. And really just a pretty truck. Hopefully the sun will stay out here when we kind of pull it out away from the building, get a good look at it. But just a great truck. Chrome and stainless is nice. There's a couple little touch-up marks I noticed in the paint, a couple little things you can kind of pick, but nice, very nice. Yeah, and you see a couple little chips there. Not a whole lot to nitpick. Pretty doggone nice truck, guys. See, the glass is nice. There's a couple little, you see a couple little specks in the side mirror there. Sorry guys, that's just a little water, a couple water spots. All brand new wood bed. And really, like I say, a great run and driving truck. The tailgate does open, they've got it actually bolted shut. A lot of guys don't like the chains because they kind of bounce around and rub on the paint. Pretty truck. It's all subframed with a, again, power steering, power disc brakes. It's got a late model 350 cubic inch engine in it. You can see it's got the center bolt, Vortec heads, Edelbrock intake, Edelbrock 4-barrel, just stock exhaust manifolds. Got all new vintage heat and AC, power steering, disc brakes, 350 turbo trans. Aluminum radiator. Gotta love these trucks, man. So popular. You know, a lot of people, they take them, they put something on the doors, and you own a business or something, and they become a complete write-off. Great investment pieces. Sorry guys, just a little wax in here. A couple little stone pecks on that. New door handles. You can see they got the new door rubbers in it. It's got the two-tone gray interior. I'll tell you, Jay, I'm 6'2", and Jay's the one who actually brought this to my attention when I said it. Tons of cab room in here. I don't know what they've done different. It must be something to do with the seat. But there is a ton of leg room in this cab. A lot of times these are a little tight, and it's really got a lot of room. It's got a aftermarket tilt column with a sports steering wheel, shark gauges, 1172 on the odometer, aftermarket AM/FM radio. There's your vintage heat and air controls. Dual exhaust. It's a GM 10-bolt rear end with a 373 limited slip gear. Truck's just as nice on the bottom as it is on the top, nice and clean. I like how they blacked out the running boards. It's got the bow tie step on it. You don't really want to be stepping on those running boards though. We try to discourage people from doing that, but just in case you got kids or something, if you know, when you put that on there, that kind of keeps it from stuffing up the paint. Billet rear view mirror. Got Jay fired up here. Just a good running 350, guys. Air's all brand new, blows ice cold, heat and air. Just a good looking truck, man. Gauges are all functional. Speedo works. You can hear the radio in there working. It's got a comp cam, Vortec heads, and radio mark. Cool song. Blower motor works. Cowl vent works. Wiper, they've converted to electric. The wipers work. Yeah, and make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. It really changes on a daily basis. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Also, a great way to keep in touch with us is through our Facebook page or our Instagram page. Or as always, pick up the phone, give my guys a call, 248-620-3355. There you go, get it out in the sun. And it'll scoot. Have a great day, guys.